Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the euro-dollar pair and recent events during the markets. Greg?
The euro-dollar pair has gained 0.4% in the last session. Stochastic has slightly diminished into the positive zone. BMW stock has added 7.2% in the last two sessions. The ADX has shifted sharply into negative territory. The sterling-dollar pair has lost 0.7% in the last session. The highs-lows indicator has sunk into the negative zone. The Aussie-dollar pair has added 0.1% in the last session. Stochastic has transitioned into overbought territory.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
Intel Corp, the world's largest chipmaker, said it's offering a revamped version of its Xeon range in time for what it sees as the biggest build-out of technology infrastructure in human history. Wall Street's main indices treaded water as investors stayed on the sidelines a day after the S&P 500 and the Dow closed at record highs on renewed recovery hopes. The International Monetary Fund raised its forecast for British economic growth, which is set to outpace the Eurozone this year after its slump in 2020, but is unlikely to regain its pre-pandemic size until sometime in 2022.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The UK's Market Services PMI will be released at 8:30 GMT, the Australian Trade Balance at 700 GMT, the US EIA Crude Oil Stocks Change at 14:30 GMT. Japan's leading economic index will be released at 500 GMT, the US MBA mortgage applications at 1100 GMT, Spain's Market Services PMI at 7:15 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.